Okay, so just for the camera, I'm going to ask you a few simple questions. Could you tell me your full name, please?
Yes, my name is Thanh An.
Okay, and could you tell me how was your day today?
My day was okay.
Just okay?
Yes, because I have some tests.
How many?
2 tests.
3 now.
Yes.
Okay, so the test has 2 parts. First is some short questions where I want you to answer one sentence. The second half, I will ask you to speak in a few sentences to give your opinions, talk about problems, and talk about solutions. So let's start. First, I want you to speculate, so to tell me how likely you think something is to happen. I've got 3 questions, and I want you to just answer what you think, even if you don't know. So what is your mom doing now? What do you think?
I think she should go working
Okay, when will the sun rise tomorrow?
tomorrow. I will be
Okay, and who do you think the first person you talk to at school will be?
my first person I talk to will be my friend that sits next to.
Great. Now I'm going to give you 3 predictions about the future. Just tell me how likely you think they are to happen. First, it will rain tomorrow.
Maybe
Maybe sentence, please. So maybe.
it could. Maybe it's will rain tomorrow.
Thank you. You will wake up late and you will be late for school.
It's maybe I may go to school.
So you don't think it will happen? Finally, the moon will explode.
Maybe they will do this.
You think maybe? Okay. Next, we're going to go through some of the feelings, the words I taught you. So, can you tell me one time you felt envious towards someone? So that means when you feel jealous of them.
I think it was when I was 5
Yeah?
and my friends had a lot of toys very beautiful.
Yeah, great. And can you tell me one time you felt anxiety about something?
I always anxiety after the test.
After the test? Okay, cool. Next one, I want you to compare and contrast. So compare is when something is similar, and contrast is when it's different. If you need to ask me for any help in these, I can help you a little bit. So we'll do compare first. How are they similar? 2 of your friends in the class.
Feeling is short.
Yes?
Likewise, feeling is short.
Great. 2 subjects that you study at school.
Math is so difficult. Likewise, dynamics is
Okay, and finally, 2 places that you have been to.
Thailand is very cold. Likewise, Hokkaido.
You've been to okay, that's cool. Now contrast how they are different, the same ones. Can you contrast 2 of your friends?
Contrast.
So say how they are different.
Leo is so fast and whereas Korea is very, very small.
And 2 subjects which you study.
whereas math is easy.
And finally, 2 places which you have been to.
Ho Chi Minh City is so hot, whereas Hanoi is.
It is now. Okay, final short question. I want you to use relative pronouns to describe something. So, using one of the W page question words, okay? So, can you tell me one thing about your best friend?
My best friend, my school,
Anyone, not important.
my best friend is very beautiful.
Okay,
Who is sitting next to me?
great. Can you describe something, an object, which is very important to you?
Object.
Yes, a thing.
My bed is very important to me, which I bring it every day.
Okay, now we're going to come to the long part. First, I'm going to ask you to give me your opinion. I want an opinion, a reason, and an example. Then, I'm going to ask you about a problem. I want you to explain the problem and then give me a solution. So first, the opinion. What is your opinion about the amount of homework you get at school? Would you like 20 seconds to think? Okay, I'll count to 20, okay? Ready? So, what is your opinion on the amount of homework you get at school?
I think in Vietnam, the teacher, the student have a lot of homework.
Yeah. What's your opinion on that?
I think it's like student go crazy.
And can you give me a reason?
Because although the homework is long, my teacher let me to write about 10 homeworks
Yeah.
a day.
And is that good or bad?
I think that
Why?
because most of my classmates don't do.
I know that one. Okay, finally, I'm going to give you a problem, and I want you to tell me the problem, tell me why it's a problem, and give me an example, okay? So, we will do people who spend all their money and never save money. Now, do you think this is a problem for them?
Yes, some.
Okay, so can you tell me the problem, why it's a problem, and then an example, please?
I think it is like people don't behave to another people.
Okay.
And they can use money for the beauty after if they are like have an accident, they don't have money to use and have to let their parents or relatives.
Okay, and so what should people do then?
People should give money to the bank.
Okay, we'll finish that. Thank you, Anne. Goodbye.